In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Assert node. We use the Assert node to create a decision point in the workflow. This node takes a conditional expression as an input, evaluates the expression to be a Boolean value, and then exclusively executes a portion of the workflow depending on the result of the expression. If the expression is evaluated to be true, then the node will only execute the following node on the upper edge, and vice versa. In this tutorial, we will use the Assert node to exclusively execute one portion of the workflow based on the count of records of the incoming data frame. First, we need to count the number of records in the incoming data frame and store it as a parameter. We can do this using the count node. Next, we can use this parameter in the Assert node. Here in the Assert node configuration page, we need to only input an expression for it to evaluate. Here, we will set the threshold at 5,000 number of records. If there are greater than 5,000 records, the Assert node will evaluate the expression to be true and only execute the top node. If the expression is false, it will only execute the bottom node. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that first the count node was executed. Here on the left, we can see that it counted 2,938 records in the incoming data frame and stored it as a parameter. Here in the Assert node, we can see that it took in the expression that we input in the configuration pane, and it took in the count variable or parameter that was created by the count node. It determined that this expression was false. Here at the bottom, we can see that only the bottom print node was executed. The top node will never be executed if this workflow is run again with the same input. Thank you for listening.